How to update location on Find My iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Find My application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. You can view your location information over here. As you can see, you are currently not sharing your location on Find My iPhone. Scroll down and turn on the Share My Location option as shown. Now, tap on Location above. You can edit the location name from here. Select any name that you want. For example, Home. You have now successfully changed your location name to Home. Alternatively, go back and open up the Settings application. On this page, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Tap on Location Services at the top. Then, tap on Share My Location over here. Make sure that the Share My Location option is turned on. Now, go back to the previous page. Scroll down to Find My and tap on it. Here, select while using the app to allow location access while using the Find My app. Following these steps, you can easily update location on Find My iPhone.